Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Grand Cherokee from year 2008 to year 2013 guys, and you need to remove and replace the key fob battery because it's dead, you cannot lock or unlock your vehicle, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop guys, we make at least 200 videos, we take them completely apart. Why? Simply guys, because the mission here at our shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to buy a replacement battery, we have the link in the description of the video below. This same key guys is being used in many Chrysler, Fiat Corporation guys vehicles, so you can find it in so many models guys, so many models. That key is being used quite a bit, so we'll explain guys okay now how to do that. We have the Jeep outside, super cold today, the key doesn't want to unlock it because it's freezing and the battery died. When it's cold usually your battery will die and you won't be able to unlock the vehicle. So what do we do now guys? Okay, this is the key. First step, okay, we need to pry right here to the right so we can separate the mechanical key from the key fob guys. Okay, check it out. When you slide that button to the right, you pull the key out at the same time. Now on the bottom side right here, I come and I pry the two parts apart guys. Okay, once I do that, I grab it with my fingers and I simply guys separate it. Now you can see the buttons stayed on the key. What we need to do guys, it's easier if you remove them and you install them guys, okay, on the upper cover, and later, okay, when you're putting it together, it will be easier that way. In addition, make sure that you don't have any dust, okay, or anything spilled on that seal. That way guys, it will close easy and it will be water resistant, or at least humidity resistant. So this is guys the battery. Now right here it says the size of the battery. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. It says post side down. All we have to do, grab the screwdriver, okay, and gently pry it up. Perfect. Now we get it out guys. I'll get the new battery. It's very important to be careful not to bend that metal plate, because if you do, it will not be contacting and your key fob will not work. Later when you put it together, it's super important to align the metal button, okay, sliding button, with that hole, and just start pushing things down until it clicks. Later, don't forget guys to go ahead and install the key guys. Perfect. And you can see that's it guys, putting the whole thing together. Now if you guys need to buy replacement battery, again, you have the link in the description of the video below. In addition guys, okay, we'll have quite a few videos coming, so please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.